Janet Johnson.
I disagree. I mean, Dr. Samuels explained all of those things. The most traumatic part, just like police officers, the actual shooting is what she's going to forget. That's the part that's blurry to her. And quite frankly, the jury isn't seeing what we just saw. They didn't see that jail video. They didn't see the giggling. They didn't see the powdering. What they're seeing is someone who was being bullied by the government, and they want to kill her, quite frankly.
Bullied by the government?
She's defending herself.
Stacey Honowitz.
I mean, bullied by the government. Why? Because the prosecutor took an aggressive stance because she's the biggest liar in the world. I mean, if he did not take an aggressive stance with someone of her personality, the jury would have never got to see what they got to see, the real Jodi Arias.
And he almost broke her, Stacey.
As far as the doctor, how does this doctor not do a malingering test to determine whether or not she's lying to him based on all of her lies?
Of course he did. That's part of every evaluation.
And he said she passed.
I've never
Wait till cross-examination when they talk about post-traumatic stress, and just like Joey said with selective memory, none of it makes sense. Really, the story doesn't make sense at all.
Brian.
Listen. Every single forensic psychological evaluation includes an evaluation for malingering. The doctor himself or herself needs to be convinced of the veracity of what is being told to them. And every forensic psychologist I have ever worked with comes back to me and says, listen, there's nothing I can do to help your client when they think they're not telling the truth. And that is the biggest thing they look for before they go to the diagnosis. So yes, I believe this doctor did a malingering test.
That is not true.
He said he did. He said he did, and he said.
I'll tell you what I'd like to see.
I'm telling you, plenty of. Listen, I wonder how he's going to testify when he talks about her being in the jail. And
all right, I would like to see somebody give Jodi Arias a truth serum. Just something to think about. Not really, because I think it would open a Pandora's box, and I don't think it would be constitutional. But wouldn't it be interesting? More on the other side.